leave my new girlfriend out of it.
Ooh, she's a big one.
What do you mean she's a big
She wobbles. Hey, she had to be cut out of a hula hoop. Built like a Romanian shot putter. Come on, Olga!
Oh, it's a cheek.
Well, she's 22 stone.
Well, when I make love, I like to be dominated.
Well, don't you be laminated. Now, come look at me. Oh, hey. You might well, eh?
Yeah.
Steve, you wouldn't have see that.
Blondie spotted it then, you missed her then, Blondie there. Leaned to her mate, she says, I think that shirt's a Giovanni.
Is it?
Then show the label, go on.
Fine, right,
Yeah.
it's a Giovanni, yeah.
And the shoes. Gucci.
Hey, look at this, a Gucci shoes, yeah. Are the trousers Pierre Cardin?
No, Mother Care. Off cut.
The only way the Calvin Klein, I suppose.
Oh, not Calvin Klein.
Oh?
Tupperware. They're not very comfortable. They keep everything nice and fresh. Boom, boom.